play, Rumpus in the Rainforest. Once, not very long ago, in the Amazon rainforest, lived a frog. This is her story, the story of a frog with an impossible dream that came true.
The leaves are so thick in parts of the forest that less than 10% of the sunlight reaches the forest floor. Creatures may spend their whole lives without ever seeing the sun. There, on a log, lives a frog with her dream.
Has stopped by to see what Frog is singing about. Toucan heard her ring the day before and it still hurts.
Hello, Toucan. Can you fly me up to see the sky above the trees?
I'm sorry, I can't. My wing doesn't work. Every time I try to fly, I just buzz around in a circle until I get dizzy.
How will I ever get up to see the sky?
I don't know. Here come the jaguars. Maybe they will give you a lift up the tree.
Hello, jaguars. Can you take me up to see the sky above the trees?
Don't be silly. Why would you ever want to go up there?
Sweet and the spirit
family of sloths up in the branches of a tree.
Hello, sloth. Can you take me up to see the sky above the trees?
I'm a sloth. I would help you up this tree. I'm a sloth, but I'm lazy as can be. I'm a sloth, so before I can agree to your request, I need to rest.
Hey, wake up!
I'm a sloth. I'd be down there in the pit. I'm a sloth, but I'm just too tired to sit. I'm a sloth. Why, just yesterday I blinked and ate some sap. I need a nap. 1, 2, 3. I'm getting set to go. Can you see? I just moved your toe.
Hey, you guys, wake up!
I'm a sloth. I'd be bounding in a blur. I'm a sloth, but I find it hard to stir. I'm a sloth. I got algae in my fur to quench his teeth. I need some sleep. Some sleep.
Wait, do you hear that? What? Listen! Look out! It's the boa! Fly away! I can't! My wing still doesn't work! Oh, please, don't run away. You don't think I want to, well, eat you, do you? Oh, no. I hear you're looking for a way to see the sky. Hop on my back. I will help you up the tree. Don't trust him. Come along. I'm your friend.
Don't slither, let's slither up the tree. Don't hide now, let's slide now, you and me. I do it for kindness, I just like to please. I ask one small favor, let me give you a squeeze. Oh, don't slither, let's slither to the light. They're hunting for the lost ancient city of chocolate. The Amazon is the home to the cacao bean, the source of all things chocolate.
The map says the lost ancient city of chocolate should be right here. Oh, I can't wait to find it. We've been looking for months and I completely ran out of candy bars. There's rivers of syrup, dark chocolate and light, and springs of hot cocoa to bathe in at night. And there at the end of a rich rocky road, a town made of brownies, that's our mother road. Cacao bean, most beautiful flora that I've ever seen. Life isn't wasted until you are tasted the trees that we make from the cacao bean. This edge marks the spot of a chocolate bowl where they kept the marshmallows, dots, and the moles. All live in a tall house from which I won't budge, except to climb up the great temple of fudge. Cacao bean, most beautiful flora that I've ever seen. Your life isn't wasted until you have tasted the trees that we make from the cacao bean. Your life isn't wasted until you have tasted the trees that we make from the cacao bean.
Hi guys, that chocolate thing you're looking for is way over there. Just keep walking that direction and you can't miss it.
Gee, thanks. Come on. Last one in the hot fudge is a maraschino cherry. I didn't know there was a city of chocolate in the jungle.
There isn't. Those guys were scaring off the howler monkeys and they're my last chance. Hello monkeys, can you take me up to see the sky above the trees?
What? I think you're over in the canopy? Are you nuts?
No, I don't think so.
Well, if you're not nuts, don't hang around with us.
That's funny, guys. That's funny.
Spirit on the ground and the monkey around, up in the canopy. 'Cause the air's so thick, we just howl and we grin, up in the canopy. Who needs more? Who needs more? Who needs more than the jungle floor? Tell me, man, what are you looking for? Who needs more than the jungle floor? We can swing and play with the band and the leg, up in the canopy. There is no escape and we all have a rate, up in the canopy. Who needs more? Who needs more? Who needs more than the jungle floor? Tell me, man, what are you looking for? Who needs more than the jungle floor? This is just for chunks of the closable thumbs, up in the canopy. There on the ground and a monkey around, up in the canopy. Who needs more? Who needs more? Who needs more than the jungle floor? Tell me, man, what are you looking for? Who needs more than the jungle floor?
This is so discouraging. No one will help me and I just want to see the sky. I don't feel good.
Just then, army ants marched by. The frog and the toucan jumped out of the way. Nothing could stop the calling for army ants.
Here come the ants! Help me up on your log! I don't want to be nibbled to death!
Marching by the millions, marching all day long. One ant might be crazy, but millions can't be wrong. One ant is so tiny, two ants still are small. Multiply by millions, and we can do it all. Teamwork, that's teamwork. Help to lift your parent sharing. They got a lot of love. Teamwork, that's teamwork. Help to lift your parent sharing. They got a lot of love. Marching on a million, marching all day long. One ant might be crazy, but millions can't be wrong. One ant is so tiny, two ants still are small. Multiply by millions, and we can do it all. Teamwork, that's teamwork. Help me to lift your parent sharing. Then you got a lot of clouds. Teamwork, that's teamwork. Help me to lift your parent sharing. Then you got a lot of clouds. The ant's song about teamwork reminds the frog about something very important. Her friend the toucan is still hurt. In her eagerness to get to the sky, Frog had not stopped to help her injured friend.
So the frog summons the shaman, who says he can fix toucans from the stuff that grows right there in the rainforest.
I can fix this with the medicine from the jungle. Here, try some of these. Chew this bark, lick this leaf. If you ache, here's relief. Munch this moss, you'll agree. The forest is a pharmacy. The forest is a pharmacy. Bite this bowl, suck this vine. In a flash, you'll be fine. Put this root in your tea. The forest is a pharmacy. The forest is a pharmacy. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking you're drinking some dirt. But fling sea.
I can fly! Here, Frog, get on my back and I'll take you up to see the sky over the trees.
Can you really do that? Can you fly me up to see the sky above the trees?